Welcome to RDO. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss here Class 8 Maths Chapter 4 Exponents and Powers. Exercise 4.2 question number 4 and 5th solutions.
See here exercise 4.2 question number 4. In a pack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? Once you can observe here, in the pack there are 5 books and 5 paper sheets are available. Each book thickness is how much? 20 mm. Each paper sheet thickness how much? 0.016 mm. So that we need to find here total thickness of the pack. First of all, I am writing here the thickness of each book. You can write here the thickness of each book. Each book is how much? 20 mm. See here, this kind of books are how many available in this pack? 5 books. So that you can write it, therefore the thickness of 5 books is equals 20 into 5. That means 25 is how much? 100 mm. You'll get here how much? 5 books thickness is how much? 100 mm. In the similar way, you need to find here paper sheets thickness also. See here, 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. That means you can write here the thickness of each paper sheet is equal 0.016 mm. That means you can write here, therefore the thickness of how many sheets here? 5 paper sheets. You can write here 5 paper sheets. 5 paper sheets is equal to 5 into 0.016. Just you can do normal calculation. 16 5 how much? 80 only. Yes or no? Now you can see here, after decimal point, how many digits are available? 1, 2, 3. That means total how many digits? 3 digits. So that from right side onwards, we can keep here after 3 digits, we can keep decimal point. So here 1, 2, 3. You can keep decimal point. That means your answer should be 0.080 mm. Once you can observe here, in that question what they are asking, find the total thickness of the pack. You can write total thickness means you can add here 5 books and 5 paper sheets. That means I am writing C here the total thickness of pack is equals 100 mm plus 0.080 mm. Just you can add this one 2. See a rough work I am doing. 100 mm means 100.000 0.080. Just you can add here both 0, 8, 0, 0.00, 100. That means your answer will be 100.080. 100.080 millimeter. This is your solution. Just you need to find here individual books and paper sheet, then you can add it. You will get answers. Total thickness of the pack. See here 100.080 mm. That means you should write here, see 100.08 mm. See, in this exercise, we are writing each and everyone in standard form or not. Yes, how can you express in the standard form? See here, you know that a into 10 to the power n, that means a should be 1 to 9. That means once you can write here 1.00, you should write here 1.00. That means I am writing, see, 1.0008 into 10 power c. The decimal points move to LHS or not? Yes. How many places? 1, 2. Yes or no? I written here 1.0008 only. That means how many places the left decimal point moves to LHS? 2 places. So that you can write here 10 power 2 mm. See here 1.0008 into 10 to the power 2 mm is your answer. Even though writing 100.080 mm also correct answers, but we can express here in standard form of the given total thickness of the pack. This is your solution. See here, question number 5. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your answer. See here, the given question is x to the power minus 3. X to the power minus 3 into x to the power minus 2 is equal to x to the power minus 6. But we know that, see, we know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Yes or no? If the bases are same, you can add here exponents. So that once you can observe here, therefore x to the power minus 3 plus of minus 2 is equal, can I write here x to the power minus 6 or not? Yes. That means you can write here x to the power minus 3 plus or minus only minus 2 is equal to x to the power minus 6, implies x to the power minus 5 is equal to x to the power minus 6. Is x to the power minus 5 is equal to x to the power minus 6? Is minus 5 is equal to minus 6? Not. So that this is the false. False. Here in that question they are asking, do you agree with the solution? No, I will not agree with the solution. No, I will not agree with the Rakesh solutions. See, if it is true, if you are getting x to the power minus 6, you can agree. Yes, I will agree with Rakesh solution. But it's wrong answer. He is not followed correct method. He did 3 2 is 6 like that, even though it's not correct method. See here another problem. X to the power 3 by x square is equal to x to the power 4. Once you can observe here, which is in the form of a to the power m by a to the power n or not? Yes. See, if it is a to the power m by a to the power n, how can you express here a to the power m by a to the power n is equal a to the power m minus n or not? Yes. We have learned in the previous classes a to the power m by a to the power n is equal a to the power m minus n. That means you should write here x to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to x to the power 4. But once you can observe here, x to the power 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 is equal to x to the power 4. Is it true? See here, is 1 is equal to 4? No. False. You can write here, it is false. Therefore, no, I don't agree. Don't agree with Rakesh solutions. Why? Because here x to the power 3 by x to the power 2 is equal to x to the power 1 is your solution. X to the power 3 by x to the power 2 is equal x to the power 1. See here, x to the power minus 2 is equal root x. See, x to the power minus 2 means, can I write here 1 by x square or not? Yes. Why? Because see, you know that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m or not? Yes. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Utilizing I written here 1 by x square is equal root x means you know that x to the power 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because you know that root a is equal, you can write here a to the power 1 by 2. See here it is 1 by x square. This is x to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2 is both are equal. Just you can observe here, see. It's not possible. Which are not equal. You can write here directly false. 1 by x square different. X to the power 1 by 2 also different. It's both are not equal. You can write here no. I don't agree. I don't agree with the Rakesh solutions. It means here x to the power minus 2 is equal to how much? 1 by x square only your answer.
See here another problem. 3 into x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3x. Once you can see here, already you know that the basic definition a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. See here I written here x to the power minus 1 as 1 by x to the power 1 here. This here 3 into 1 means 3, only 3 by x is equal to 1 by 3x. Once you can see here is 3 by x is equal to 1 by 3x. It's not equal, so that you can write here false. So that you can write here no. I don't agree. You can write here I don't agree. This is your solution.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 8th maths playlist videos.